Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create superscript and subscript to your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click on this edit option. Here you will find this edit text option. Click here and click on this text box. You want to make superscript and subscript, and this right side bar you will find this arrow. Click here. Okay, this format option. Now select your text you want to make superscript and see this, and this superscript option. See this text now make superscript. Also make this text subscript. See this, and make this text subscript, and see this. Also I'll make this text superscript. See this. In this way you can make all of this text or a specific character or word. You can make superscript and subscript, and this is subscript. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.